In this video, we are going to describe the general assembly of the SX thruster prior to installation. The first step is installing the tunnel halves. You align the tunnel halves and provide enough force to join. Then tap with a rubber mallet to make sure that the interlocking tabs are fully seated. Next is installing the prop. You align the prop on the drive pin, then add a prop washer and the lock nut. Then tighten the lock nut. Adding a witness mark that the prop has been installed correctly is suggested. Next is installing the new prop anode, where you place the anode over the lock nut and secure it with a stainless steel cap head Allen bolt using blue Loctite on the threads. Adding a witness mark here that the anode screw is secured correctly is also suggested.